from CBI. We had a reunion. Maayo karon kay kada 5 katuig, doon na ay grand reunion. Katulad mong reunion sa 1997, 50 years after we graduated, paspilan, o naman may mag-ila. Can you imagine, you have not met your classmates for 50 years and then you meet again? Kaya ganyan ka na unang yun sayo-sayo min, kaya nanginahilaw namin. Kunya, nag-abot na itong mga classmates. Uy, kinsa mo na. Huwag namin mag-ila. 2010. Kuwan nga pag-award ni karong gabi na. Salamat.
Salamat, sir. Thank you very much. We really look up to people like you because you inspire us. Excuse me, sir. Can I have my... Thank you. CBI would be proud and would love to have you as one of its professors, sir. And I'd really love to have your...
Nangawat mo ko karong gabi na.
Thank you very much once again. It's true what he said is true. CBI is very sikap. It is the only school featured in a series of write-ups in the Philippine Daily Inquirer. And it was also featured in one of the programs of the most popular television network, that's the ABS-CBN. Give CBI a big round of applause. Yeah. All right. At this point in time, I would like to ask the batch coordinators to please get your snacks at the faculty room. Yes, people, you have your snacks. My president, actually 3 sets, right? Okay, let us give John Silvaro, he is there, without the wife. That's 1979. 10,000 pesos, says. Okay. 1980. 81. 82. 82. You are there.
Just use equipment. It's a far cry from the 20,000, 50,000, and 100,000 places at that time. What may makatuman sa use equipment because these are 3 brand new microscopes.
Wow! A big round of applause for the laboratory. That's very nice. 90. Batch 1990?
We just want to like to thank our batchmate who's not here with us, Miss Gemma Bertudes. We're giving 10,000 pesos from our batch 1990.
Okay, 10,000 pesos from batch 1990. 1991? Okay, here she is, representative of batch 10 pesos from batch 1991.
We just had a renovation of our restroom for the students. The total cost was 260,000. But with the contribution that you have given to CBI tonight, it will be fully paid.